Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change App Store country. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to change your App Store country, so let's see how can you do that. Very first thing, you have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. After that, you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to a VPN, try to disconnect with that. After doing that, you have to simply open your App Store and then tap on your profile option in the top right corner. Tap on your Apple ID here. Verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. After that, you have to select the country or region option here, and then you have to select your own country or region in which you're living, or you can select the country or region which you want to change. So, for example, I'm going to select this one from here. Once I've selected, tap on this continue option here, and then tap on agree in the top right corner. And here you must have to add your payment method. If you don't have any payment method, select the none option. Then add your billing address, enter your freezed, then these two are optional, you can skip them, enter your postcode, your town, your country, then your phone number, your name. Once you have done, just tap on done option in the top right corner and your country will be successfully changed into your app store. So in this way, you can easily change your app store country. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.